Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi. It's weather in 5 days and 5 minutes as we catch a bit of a break today well, depending on where you are, you'll either have a good deal of sunshine or a mix of sun and clouds or more clouds than sun, possibly even mostly cloudy skies. And that is going to vary from north to south. The further south you go today, I think the better chance that you're going to see of being in cloud cover. And if you look at the high temperature forecast, it is going to reach up into the 60s from southern New England down into central and possibly southern New Jersey. However, if you look to the west southwest of there, in southeast and south central Pennsylvania, down into Maryland and northeastern Virginia, you see this patch of temperatures in the 50s. That's because of an upper air disturbance that moved out of the Great Lakes that's weakening as it moves southeastward. But clouds are going to be an issue in this particular area. And you can see on the satellite loop what's happening here. It's again, it's not a big deal in terms of being a rain producer. There's very little with it, but we do have these clouds that are moving southeast. The system will be weakening as the day goes on, so maybe we can just get those clouds in and then get them out. Our storm system from Sunday and Monday is out here. You can see the rotation on the satellite loop, and that is starting to edge to the east. So there's a little bit of dry air in between that's trying to sandwich in. Meanwhile, this complex system here that is swinging eastward across the northern plains and into the western lakes is going to be a big deal later today and tonight. And in fact, already we're starting to see some blowups this morning with some thunderstorms in northeastern Texas. And this is the area that we see the maximum risk today as far as severe weather is concerned. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center very bullish with a moderate risk of severe weather. They have been upgrading their bullishness on this over the last several days. We've got a moderate risk in much of eastern Oklahoma, extreme western Arkansas, and the northeast corner of Texas. The larger area of enhanced risk expands north and south in both directions. And then the slight risk covers the entire lower and middle and even part of the upper Mississippi Valley, with the slight risk going all the way up into southwestern Wisconsin and much of eastern Iowa. So this is going to be a busy, severe weather day. We'll see how it plays out. And then for tomorrow, the severe weather area shrinks and shifts eastward. We have a marginal risk across the Gulf states, northern Florida, on up into the western half of North Carolina, slight risk covering a good chunk of Georgia and Alabama. And on day three, which takes us into Thursday, into early Friday morning, marginal risk, eastern North Carolina, South Carolina, central Florida, and you can see the risk of general thunderstorms running up through New Jersey into southeastern and southern New York State. So this is going to be the big day this week with regards to severe weather. And where we're going with this, by the way, just a real quick check. I thought it was kind of cool looking at Australia. If you think back a couple of months ago, Australia was burning up with heat when they started their summer. Well, now they're into their fall. And I was just looking at the fact that they were forecasting one of the coldest air masses to come out of Antarctica in many, many years, covering the entire continent of Australia. So just a lot of odd weather, I guess, in a sense. So we've got so much going on here in the way things have been in the Northeast, so much colder than normal for the last several weeks. And I know a lot of folks are hoping for that to break. We'll see. But in the meantime, let's carry on through today as we, again, the issue is going to be cloud cover that is going to be around in places like southern Pennsylvania down into Maryland and Delaware. More sunshine as you go north and east. We do see a change to a more southerly flow tomorrow that is going to bring some clouds. I'm not so sure whether I believe this idea of showers. The GFS has been uh, overdoing things when it's comes to rain lately. Here's the severe weather for today, and you see the NAM model develops quite the squall line of thunderstorms late this afternoon and this evening, impacting places like St. Louis down to Little Rock. And maybe even into the Dallas Fort Worth area on the southern end of this, moving into Louisiana. It's a very narrow line. We're going to see a southerly flow tomorrow. It might even be actually southeast from New Jersey on northward. That's going to hold temperatures down a bit, as will increasing cloud cover. I think we'll hold off with any. There might be a chance for a stray shower tomorrow, but I think the better chance for showers and storms will come on Thursday as this front swings eastward. And it may not get here. In most places, it may wait until later Thursday morning or Thursday afternoon as this front swings from west to east. Then that goes by. Weather conditions should start to improve on Friday. And we see the possibility here of having a halfway decent weekend. Let's keep our fingers crossed on this, where we'll have temperatures with some sunshine and a bit breezy on Saturday, up into the 60s. And then maybe with a little luck on Sunday, we could see some 70-degree readings, although we have another low approaching with the chance for some showers and thunderstorms late in the day Sunday into Sunday night as that low goes by. So just real quick here. These are our high temperatures again for today. 60s where you have sunshine, 50s where you wind up with cloud cover. For tomorrow, with more of a southeast wind, temperatures are going to be mostly in the 50s, although you get down into southern New Jersey, southern Pennsylvania, and down into Maryland and Virginia. We're talking upper 60s and possibly lower 70s. And then Thursday's our best chance for some showers and thunderstorms later in the day as a cold front comes through with temperatures mostly in the 60s. So that wraps up Weather in 5 on this Tuesday. Have a great day. The Joe and Joe Weather Show coming up tonight on my YouTube channel, Joe Cioffi. That's at 7 o'clock Eastern Time. You could also watch it on my free weather app, the Meteorologist Joe Cioffi Weather app, which you can download on Google Play or on the App Store. Have a great day.